some of the students of the Y batch, then you can share.
Sir, we have a group. So we have a
I
WhatsApp group.
yeah, yeah. So that just share this this group code, this team code that I have shared in the chat box. 3MDXBPF. If you go to the chat box, you will see that I have shared a team code. Just share this code in that WhatsApp group so that students can join this group. Okay. Are you able to see this code? Hello?
I shared it, sir.
Yeah. So
Hello, sir.
just write in the, yeah. Hello? Yes, who is this? This is,
Sir, this is Vidhi.
hello. Okay.
Sir, I want to ask
So
this.
you are from X
This is
batch.
yes, sir, from
You are in the
X-Batch.
X batch or Y? Yeah, okay. So what I have done, I have created a team code for this particular team. And Vasisht has shared that team code in the chat box in the WhatsApp group. So write in that WhatsApp group that join by using this particular code to this particular team, because I am going to take class on this team.
Okay, sir.
Already done,
Oh,
sir.
okay, okay. So Vasisht has done. You don't have to do the same thing. So let's wait for the other students to join, and then we will start the class. So there are 29 students in the X batch, and the joinees only I can only see 22 students who have joined. Is there any other class before this class? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what were the number of the students who have attended that class?
Sir, around 60.
Around 60. So it means all the students are there.
No,
So
no, sir, they left. So left that.
means they have reported. They have reported. If they have reported in that class, then they should report in this class also. So let's wait for 5 minutes more so that they can join in this group. They know how to join a particular team. You know how to join a particular team by using a team code.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hello, students. Hello. Are you able to listen me? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
And
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
are you able
Yes,
to
sir.
see my screen, which I have
Yes.
shared? See the
Yes.
screen which I
Yes,
have
sir.
shared. So, welcome to this particular course, Engineering Physics, PHYS 132, and this is a course of 5 credits. And as you can see from the screen that there will be 3 lectures per week, and 2 lectures, 2 sessions are assigned for the practicals, experiments, and there will be 2 hours which are assigned for your self study. So total is 5 credit. This course is of 5 credits. But before going to detail of this course, let me introduce myself. Myself, Dr. Rohit Verma, and I have done my doctorate from Bhabha Atomic Research Center. Some of my doctoral work I have done in Inter University Accelerator Center, New Delhi. My doctoral work was based on liquid crystal display materials, radiation induced modifications in liquid crystal display materials. You must have heard the name LCD, which are being utilized in various television sets, various mobile screens, or display panels of different bodies. Hello. So this is my brief introduction. Let's go to the learning outcomes of this course. After completing this particular
Excuse
course,
me, sir.
yes,
Sir, please share the link for the class.
actually I have shared the team code.
No,
Uh,
sir, they were demanding the link.
so some
they
people
are
are not in the teams.
they are not in the team. That's why I was calling. I was calling by personally. I was calling to join this particular team, and some of them have rejected to join this because I was having your mail IDs, and that's why by using that ID I was calling to join this group. Sarthak Gupta. Hello. You can join any group by using the team code directly, because if I will share the link of this team, in that case also you have to use the team code to join, because team code is the password for joining a group. So that team code I have provided, I have shared by Sarthak in the WhatsApp group. So kindly tell those students to use that team code to join this team. Hello, Vansika. It was you who are
Sir,
saying yes,
we
yes.
have already sent the team code in the group.
Okay, okay. Because right now there are only 33 members who have joined this team, and there should be 60. Sarang Gupta. Let me invite Sarang to join. Sarang Gupta is there, and then Geetanj is there. So let me invite Geetanj also. Because this class is only of 55 minutes, and if I will invite individually to each student, then 55 minutes will be lost in just giving the invitation, the personal invitation. Bhavya Singh, Dakshit Chopra. So now Anushka is there. Let me invite Anushka also. Now they are joining. Prapti Chaudhary. Ayushman Garg.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So very good morning to all of you. Welcome to this course, Engineering Physics. Myself, Dr. Rohit Verma, and let's let's join others. Then I will start the introduction of the course.
Sir, we are supposed to join from the physics 132 STEM 1 CES 5 minus 2 group itself.
Actually, the faculty for both of the actually there should be only one group for the X batch and Y batch, but uh, they have created two groups, but the class is to be done on the same group. That's why I am calling the students. I have started the class in the X batch in the group for the X batch and calling the students from the Y batch to join this group itself.
Okay, so can you join me in the CES 5 minus 1 group also? Uh, I can join the class much soon that way. Sooner.
Because I am taking the class in this X group. This
Yes,
team is for the X group.
yes, sir. Yes.
So the students who are there try to uh, tell them to join this group. I have shared the team code of this team in the WhatsApp group.
Okay, let me
Sir, we
Yeah.
just.
already asked them.
So just by using that code, you can join this class.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, we already asked them.
There are some of the students who have joined and some still remains in that group.
Yes, sir. So can you share the link in the chat also of this session? Is not on the
Actually, I
board.
have shared the team code. It is in the chat box. If you see the chat box,
Yes, sir.
then I have shared the
Not
team
able to
code.
join from the team code.
Okay, they are not able. That's why I was individually inviting
Okay, sir.
by using their mails. By using their mails, I was individually inviting each of the students to join the class.
Yes, sir.
Sir, at that time we were in other class, so we weren't able to join.
Okay, so there are some of the email IDs which are not correct. That's why the invitation is not going to those email IDs. Uh, it means the email IDs are not active.
Yes, sir.
That's right. So I'm explaining how to join a team by using a team code. Then you can told to those students how to join a team. Firstly, what you have to do, if you going in, if you go to the team, then in the in the right corner of the screen, you will see. Let me, uh, is so. Meanwhile, the students let the students join, and since today is only the introduction class, that's why I continue the introduction of this course. So, hello, students, are you able to listen me? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
let
sir.
me continue. Okay. Okay. So let me continue with the learning outcomes of this course. After completing this particular course, you will be able to get the knowledge, to get the concept of wave optics, electromagnetic theory, relativistic mechanics, and wave mechanics. You will be able to understand the theory of these branches of physics. You will be able to apply these fundamental concepts in various engineering applications. You will be able to analyze the fundamental equations of the above mentioned branches of physics, and you will be able to evaluate qualitatively the problems, the numericals, or the situations involving the applications of the fundamental principles of physics to the real world situation. This particular course is divided into four modules, and the first module is the most important module. Why it is the most important module? Because the weightage of this module is highest. So the weightage of this module is of 35%, and your first module is wave optics. And in this particular module, what we will study about different optical phenomena such as interference, diffraction, polarization, and then we will study about some of the lasers. What is the principle behind light amplification through stimulated emission of radiation? So, how lasers are produced, on which principle lasers are based on, and what is spontaneous and stimulated emission? And then in your syllabus, two lasers are there, and you have to study the construction and working of these two lasers. These are helium neon laser and ruby laser. So in the first module, the weightage, as I have already told you, that the weightage of this particular module is 35%, and it is highest among all the four modules. The rest of the three modules are electromagnetic theory, relativistic mechanics, and wave mechanics. And in electromagnetic theory, what we will study various uh, gradient, divergence, curl, the formulation of the Maxwell's equations in free space, in linear isotropic media, and then how electromagnetic waves propagate in free space. As you aware of this fact that light is an electromagnetic wave, and you know that light propagates in space, and you know that for the propagation of light there is no any requirement of medium, so it can propagate through vacuum also. And you know that in light, electric and magnetic vectors vibrate in mutually perpendicular planes, and they these two planes are perpendicular to the direction of the propagation of light also. So the second module will end with the Poynting theorem, and your third module is the relativistic mechanics, and in this particular module, we will study about special theory of relativity. What are the postulates of special theory of relativity, and how uh, we applied the postulates of special theory of relativity for the study of the phenomena such as length contraction, time dilation, and how mass varies with velocity. Mass, you know that mass is not constant. If we are moving with normal velocities, with the velocities with which normal vehicle moves, so mass, we can say that mass remains at constant value. But when the velocity of the object approaches velocity of light, then in that case mass is not constant. So we will derive the formula how mass varies with velocity, and then the famous equation proposed by the great scientist Einstein, E is equal to mc square. We will derive that equation, how mass can be equivalent to energy. So the famous equation E is equal to mc square, we will derive in this particular module 3. Then your last module is the wave mechanics, how quantum mechanically you can describe a material particle. Material particle under certain circumstances it behaves as a wave, and under certain other circumstances it behaves as a particle. So what are those circumstances in which it behaves as a particle, and what are those circumstances in which it behaves as a wave? So these we will be studying in the fourth module, and then we will frame some of the problems, and we will study some of the principles under which different problems are framed. So, what are those principles which we are going to study in the fourth module? They are Heisenberg uncertainty principle. You are well aware of this principle, but why it is impossible to determine the position as well as the momentum of a microscopic particle at the same time and with the same degree of uncertainty. The reason for this we will be going to discuss in the fourth module. And then we will formulate some of the problems such as the particle in one-dimensional box by using this quantum theory of light, by using this very important mechanics, the quantum mechanics. Then we will discuss some of the emerging applications of physics, and that is applied in engineering. So this is how we will. This is what are the things we will discuss in all the four modules. And then there are some experiments. There are 15 experiments which you all have to perform. We will discuss the principle behind these experiments, on which principles of physics these experiments are based. Then and what are the theory with which you will be going to study, you will be going to perform these experiments. So out of these 15 experiments, you have to perform at least 10 experiments. So these experiments are basically based on optics. They are some of the experiments are based on electricity and magnetism. Then there are some of the experiments which are based on mechanics. So out of these 15, you have to perform at least 10 experiments. And how we are going to perform these experiments online in online mode that I will describe in the lab class, which is tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a lab class from 11:15 to 12:10, and then from 12:15 to 1:10. So in that, I will describe how you will be going to perform these experiments. And for noting down, for recording the readings of the experiments, what you have to do, as you have to prepare, you have to make a practical file, and you have to note down the aims, starting from the aims and objective of the experiment to the precautions and sources of error in that practical file. So these are the different experiments which you have to perform in this course. And these are some of the textbooks and reference books which you can go through during this particular course, engineering physics. You can go through some other books also, but it is suggested that if you go through these books, then you will be able to find all the matter which are kept in this particular course, engineering physics. There is a very famous book written by Professor Ajoy K. Ghatak. He is the professor of physics in IIT Delhi. So you can refer this book, Optics, for the first module, and you can use this particular book written by Brijlal and Subramaniam. These are the two professors of Delhi University, Central University of Delhi, and you can use this particular book also. Then there are some textbooks, engineering physics, written by Professor Satya Prakash. Then for some portion of the first module, which is devoted to lasers, you can use this particular book, Principles of Lasers. And for optical fiber and laser, you can use this book, Anuradha Day. And then you must have heard this about this particular book, which is written by David J. Griffith. This is a very classic book written by Professor David J. Griffith, Introduction to Electrodynamics. So for the second module, you can use this book. Then there is a book, Electrodynamics, written by Gupta, Kumar, and Singh. You can some of you can go through this particular book also, because this is written in a very simple language. Then there are some of the textbooks also which are written by Neeraj Mehta, and these are PHI, Parentis Hall of India publications. So textbooks of engineering physics part 1 and part 2. So some of the content of the first, second, and third module you can get from this book also. Then there is a very famous book written by Professor Arthur Weiser, and this is a book, Concept of Modern Physics. So most of the content of the fourth module you will be getting from this book. So this is all for then what we have to discuss. We have to discuss about the assessment scheme. You know that, students, the assessment scheme, there will be two types of assessment. The first assessment will be the internal assessment, the continuous assessment, and the second assessment will be the end term assessment. So continuous internal assessment will be of 40 marks, and the end term examination will be of 60 marks. So internal assessment is divided into 4 components. The first component is the mid-term exam. There will be a class test of 10 marks, and depending on your performance, you will be getting you will be getting out of 10 marks. You will be getting some marks out of 10. Then during the delivery of this course, you will be provided some of the home assignments time to time, and you have to solve those problems. You have to complete the home assignment, and you have to submit, and depending on your performance, you will be getting 10 marks. Then there will be quiz sessions, quiz 1, quiz 2, quiz 3, and the total marks assigned to the quiz is 15. And depending on your presence in the lecture, there will be, this is very important, listen very carefully, that depending on your presence in the classrooms, in the class, you will be getting 5 marks for your attendance. If your attendance is above 95%, then you will be getting 5 marks for the attendance. If your attendance is 75%, then you will be getting zero marks for the attendance. And if your attendance lies in between 75 to 95, then you will be getting accordingly marks in between 1 to 5. Then at in the last of the semester, there will be a end term examination, which will be of 60 marks. Similar assessment component are there also for the lab or practicals. So there will be 40 marks for the internal assessment, internal continuous assessment, and there will be there will be in-term examination of 60 marks at the end of the semester. So in the lab assessment, 10 marks are assigned for writing, for completing your lab record, for writing the experiments in your lab file. Then 10 marks depends on your performance. Then 15 marks are assigned for the viva. In the last of the semester, there will be a viva, there will be internal viva, and depending on your performance in that viva, you will be getting 15 marks. And similar to the theory part, there will be 5 marks for attendance. So 5 marks will be assigned for attendance in the lab, as well as 5 marks for the theory. So the total weightage of your theory is 80, and total weightage of your practicals is 20, and this makes 200% of this course. Now, if you have any doubt, hello, someone has raised his hand. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, we will start
Hello, sir.
the introduction of students. Yes.
So I have a doubt. How can we submit the assignments if we are doing it in a notebook? Uh, we
You
have
can
to.
scan, you can write the answers of the questions in a plain paper or in a file, and then you can scan it and make a PDF of that, and you can send it to my mail ID, or you can just attach, you can upload on this MS Teams.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so there will be various platforms which will be used for taking the assignments. I can use MS Forms, I can use Google Forms, or I can use various platforms such as Kahoot is there. Then so there are various platforms which will be used for taking for the assessment.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, who is this?
Sir, my name is Anshuman Garg, and I wanted to ask that you just named some books. Will we get the e-copy of those books?
Actually, this particular course is delivered by using 4-quadrant approach. You know what is 4-quadrant approach?
No, sir.
In the orientation program, uh, you must be informed about the 4-quadrant approach, because let me again repeat the same thing. There are 4-quadrant approach will be used for the delivery of this particular course. There is a platform, MET Learning Management System, ALMS, and you can go to that platform by using your Amazon. So on that platform, for each of the lectures, for each of the topics of this particular course, a video tutorial, e-tutorial is uploaded. So you can go through, before coming to the class, you can go through that e-tutorial. Then you can we have uploaded hello we have uploaded e-contents for each of the lectures. You can go through you can go through those e-lectures, e-contents also. Then the assignment, we have also uploaded some of the self-assessment questions also, and we will provide some of the textbooks also, some of the e-copies of the textbooks also with this. But what I suggest that you must have one book, at least one textbook.
So there is no link for accessing LMS currently on Amazon. So
That will be available. That will be made available to you. Since
sir.
this is first class, that will be available. That will be made available to all of you.
Okay, sir. And there is another doubt. We have to join meetings on CSC 5-1 group itself. For
For
further
today,
meetings.
yeah, for today, there was a problem that since there was two groups, for one for the X group, one
Yes,
for
sir.
the X batch, and one for the Y batch. And since I can at a single time I can be present only in one group, that's why I
Yes.
have decided to be present in the first group, and I have invited the other students from the Y batch to join this group. But I am trying to merge these groups. So from tomorrow, it may be possible that there will be a single group in which you all have to be present.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
So yes.
which
Hello.
is the best book, which is the best textbook we should prefer?
Best book, there is nothing like that best book, because it depends on your understanding. It depends on the students. It depends on person to person that the language of which book suits you.
Okay, sir.
What I suggest that you must have one textbook and one reference book. You can take a book written by Professor Brijlal and Subramaniam, Optics by Professor Brijlal and Subramaniam, because the language is very easy, and he has explained each of the topics in a very lucid manner. So you can procure that book written by Professor Brijlal and Subramaniam. It is at the second number in the list.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So I will start the attendance of the student, and when I will call the name of the student, he will switch on his or her webcam and introduce himself or herself. So the first name is roll number 291, enrollment number 291, Jasandeep Singh. Enrollment number 291.
Yes, sir.
You are not visible, Jasandeep Singh. Just switch on your camera. You are
Sir,
not
I have
visible.
switched on.
You have switched on. At my end, you are not visible.
Sir, he is visible.
Okay, Jasandeep, just introduce yourself.
I am Jashandeep Singh and I have done my schooling from New Age Public School, Bilaspur.
Okay, so you are from Bilaspur. Okay, so next one is Jasandeep Singh is present. Then next is Spurs. Hello. Spurs.
Yes, sir.
Enrollment number 292.
Hello.
Yes, Spurs, introduce yourself.
My name is Spurs Narayan and I have done my schooling from Sun Valley International School, Vaishali.
Then the third one, enrollment number 293, Bhavini Singh. Hello, Bhavini, are you present? Bhavini is not there. Hello.
Correct.
Am I audible? Bhavini? Okay, so Bhavini
Sir,
is
she
not there.
isn't there.
She is in? Sorry?
There, she's not present.
Okay, okay, yeah. So So then next one is enrollment number 294, Pranjal Arora.
Yes, sir.
Pranjal Arora, 294. Pranjal. Pranjal is also not there. Then Rama, enrollment number 296.
Yes, sir.
296.
Sir,
Rama.
myself, Rama Yadav, I
Okay.
have done my schooling from GR Kanina.
Okay, okay. Then next student is Vipin Chaudhary. Vipin,
Yes, sir.
yes, Vipin, introduce yourself.
My name is Vipin Chaudhary. I completed my school, Pragyan Public School, Jevar, Gautam Buddha.
Okay, okay. Then next one is enrollment number 298, Divyansi. Divyansi. Hello. Divyansi, are you there? Divyansi. Divyansi is not there. Then next one is 299, Divyam. Divyam.
Yes, sir. So my name is Divyam and I graduated from Modern School Balakhamba.
Okay, Divyam. Then next enrollment number is 300, Mohit Ruhela. Mohit.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Mohit Rohela and I did my schooling from Grand Columbus International School, Faridabad.
Mohit. Okay. Next one is Shekhar. Shekhar versus 301.
Yes, sir.
Shekhar.
My name is Shekhar. I completed my studies from APS Jaipur.
Okay. Yes, sir. Then next one is Sahil Jain. 302. Sahil Jain.
Yes, sir. My name is Sahil Jain and I completed my studies from Bal Bharati Public School, Pitampura.
Bal Bharati. Okay. Then next student is 303. Enrollment number 303, RC Goyal.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm Arshi and I've completed my studies from Delhi Public School, Aligarh.
Delhi Public School. Okay. Next one is 306, Vanshika Jain. Vanshika Jain.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, myself Vanshika Jain. I've completed my senior secondary education from National Public School, Narela.
Okay. Next enrollment number is 307, Vidhi Chadha. Vidhi.
Yes, sir. So my name is Vidhi Chadha and I have completed my schooling from Fatima Convent School, Ghaziabad.
Okay. Next one, Vidhi is there. And then next one, Sivan Sharma, 308.
Yes, sir. My name is Sivan Sharma and I completed my schooling from Yadindra Public School, Chandigarh.
Okay. Next one, 309, Hiren Sahani. Hiren Sahani. Hiren, are you there? Hiren is not there. Then Gauri Dhingra, next one is 310.
Yes, sir. I am Gauri Dhingra and I have studied in Delhi Public School, Muradabad from class 8.
The next roll number is 311, 311, Samir Chaudhary.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, Samir, introduce yourself.
So good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, everyone. So my name is Samir Chaudhary, and I've done my schooling from Delhi Public School, Greater Noida.
Okay. So next one is Shreya Yadav. Shreya 311, 312.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. My name is Shreya Yadav. I have done my schooling from Kothari International School, Noida.
Shreya. Okay. Next one is Sudiksha Sharma, 313. Sudiksha Sharma. Sudiksha, are you there? Sudiksha? Sudiksha is not present. Next one is 314. Yes Kapoor. Yes Kapoor.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Yash Kapoor. I've done my schooling from Delhi Public School, Dwarka.
Okay. Next one is 316. Hardik Anand. Hardik Anand. Hardik. Hardik is not there. Hardik, are you there? No. Yasveer Singh. Next one is 317. Yasveer Singh. Yasveer Singh.
Hello.
Yes. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Who
My
is this?
name is Vanshveer
Jasveer
Singh
Singh.
Chauhan. I have. This is Vanshveer. Vanshveer.
Acha, oh, sorry. I pronounced wrongly. Vansveer, yes, Vansveer.
Yes, I'm Vanshveer Singh Chauhan. I have completed my
Hello.
10th standard from school Jagadri and my 12th standard from Stepping Stone School Chandigarh.
Okay, next one is 319. Sankirat. Hello.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Sankeet Nama. I've done my schooling from Mayur School.
Okay. Next one is Ishita Agrawal, 320. 320. Ishita Agrawal, yes. Yes, Ishita, introduce yourself.
My name is Ishita Agarwal. I have done my 12th from DAV Public School, Shresth Vihar, Delhi.
Okay. Then next one is Neha Goyal, 321. Neha Goyal. Neha. Neha Goyal. You are there in the list, in the participants list. Hello, Neha. Are you there? Hello. Am I audible, Neha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, please introduce yourself.
I am Neha Goyal and I have done my schooling from Delhi Public School, Aligarh.
Okay. Next one is Parth Batra. 322 Parth Batra.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Parth,
I'm Parth
introduce yourself.
and an alumni of TPS Mathura Road.
Okay. Next one is Aditya Rajput. 324. Aditya Rajput. Aditya Rajput. Aditya, are you there? Aditya. Aditya is not there. Then next one is enrollment number 325. Sajja Sarthvik Chaudhary.
Yes, sir. My name is
Chaudhary.
Satvik and yes, my
Yes.
name is Satvik and I have completed my schooling from Fiji, Hyderabad.
Okay. Then Y batch Lakshita Bhagat. Enrollment number 326. Lakshika Bhagat. Lakshika. Lakshika is there. Lakshika is not there. Sagar Vadhva 328.
Yes,
Sagar
sir.
Vadhva.
Good afternoon, sir. And my name is Sagar Vadhva, and I had completed my schooling from St. Mark's Mirabag in Delhi.
Okay. Next one 329. Aditya Kumar. Aditya Kumar.
Sir, my name is
Yes,
Aditya
Aditya.
Kumar. I've completed my schooling from KV Noida.
Okay. Then Prajwal Goswami. Prajwal 330. Enrollment
Yes,
number
sir.
330.
Good morning,
Yes,
sir.
Prajwal.
I am Prajwal and I have completed my 12th from DPS Vasant Kunj.
Okay. Next one is Santanu 331. 331 Santanu. Santanu, are you there? Santanu? Santanu is not there. Then next one is Ojas Singh 332. Ojas.
My name is Ojas Singh and I have completed my schooling from DPS Faridabad.
Naman. Next one is 333. Naman.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Naman Kataria. I have done my schooling from DPSG Ghaziabad.
Okay. Then next one is 334. Yuvraj.
Good afternoon,
Yuvraj.
sir. My name is Yuvraj Walia. I have done my schooling from St. Angel School, Gurugram.
Kusagr Jain 335. Kusagr.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Kushagra Jain, and I have done my schooling from St. Mark's Senior Secondary Public School, Delhi.
Okay. Nikita Sharma 336.
Yes, sir. I'm Nikita Sharma. I have completed my school from DAV Public School, Sector 14, Faridabad.
Okay. Then next one is Pragati Mehra 337. Pragati Mehra 337. Pragati is not there. Vani Sharma 338. 338 Vani Sharma.
So Pragati Mehra here. I just
Okay.
the mic couldn't turn on.
Okay, Pragati, introduce yourself.
Hello everyone. I am Pragati and I completed my schooling from Global School International, Delhi.
Vani Sharma is there. Vani 338. Vani is not. Arunit 339.
Yes, sir. I am Arunit and I have completed my schooling from Green Valley Public School, Tohana.
The next one is 340. Enrollment number 340. Hemank Bhatia. Hemank, are you there, Hemank?
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, Hemank.
Good afternoon, sir. I have completed my schooling from NK Bagrodia Public School, Dwarka.
Next one is Sudhanshu, 341. Sudhanshu. Sudhanshu, are you there? Sudhanshu. Hello. Sudhanshu is not there. Then next one is R. Yaman Anand, 342. R. Yaman.
Sir,
Yes.
my name is Arman Anand and I graduated from Delhi Public School, Basant Kunj.
Okay. Next one is Daksh Kant, 344. Daksh Kant. Daksh is not there. Rakshit Malik, 346. Rakshit Malik. Rakshit.
Hello, sir. My name is Rakshit Malik and I graduated from Bhatnagar International School, Vasant Kunj.
Next is Aryan, 347. Aryan. Aryan Sarwa. Okay, next one
Hello,
is
sir. My name is Aryan Sarwa.
Okay.
Hello. I am from DPS Mathura Road. I graduated from DPS.
Okay. Yes, sir. Nibir, 348. Enrollment number 348. Nibir. Nibir Deka. Hello. Nibir. Nibir is not there. Next one is Ansuman Garg, 349. Ansuman. Ansuman is not there. Then Prapti Chaudhary, 350. Prapti.
Yes,
Prapti.
sir. I am Prapti Chaudhary and I completed my schooling from Delhi Public School, Greater Faridabad.
Next one is 351. Parth Bansal. Parth
Yes, sir.
Bansal.
My name is Parth Bansal. I have done my schooling from APJ School, Noida.
Next is Anushka, 352. Anushka. Anushka. 352. Enrollment number 352. Anushka. Anushka is not there. Dakshit Chopra, 353. Dakshit is not there. Then Bhavya Singh, 354. Bhavya or Bhavya, 354. Next one is 355. Geetanj Sharma. 355. Geetanj Sharma. 356. Sarang Gupta.
Hello.
356. Sarang.
Hello everyone, I am Sarang Gupta and I did my schooling from St. Mary's Academy, Sarang.
Next one is Sarthak Gupta, 357. Sarthak.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Sarthak Gupta, and I did my schooling from the Khaitan School, Noida.
Anybody else of X batch or Y batch who remained, whose name I have not called? Anybody else is there who is present in the class, who was present in the class, but I have not called the name?
So me.
Who is this?
So my name is Aditya Rajput. I did my schooling from Frank Anthony Public School, New Delhi.
Aditya Rajput. Aditya, let me check. Control F. Aditya. What is your enrollment number?
So I have to check. Wait.
Aditya.
So 324.
324.
Yes.
I have called your name. You are
Sir,
in
I'm
next batch.
yes, sir.
Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else who are present in the class? Otherwise, you will not be getting attendance. Anybody else who is in the class and I have not called the name? Okay. So if no one is there, hello, is there anyone? So if
Hello,
yes,
sir. My name is Divyanshi Sharma, and I studied from Springfields Public School, Yamunanagar.
Divyanshi, what's your enrollment number?
Sir, 298.
298 Divyanshi. Okay. Anybody else?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, you have marked me present.
What's your name? Samir Chaudhary.
Yes, sir.
What's your enrollment number?
Sir, 311.
311. Okay, you are in the F batch. 311 Samir Chaudhary. Yes, you are present.
Thank
So
you.
one thing which you should keep in mind that you always check your attendance on your AMI zone, because by mistake, by human error, it may be possible that I can mark anyone absent. So uh, you should check your attendance in your AMI zone, and if by mistake you are marked absent, then call me. Okay, I will make a WhatsApp group. Firstly, let your program leader designate the class representative, and then I will request the class representative to make a WhatsApp group for this course, engineering physics. Okay, so if you are facing any problem, you can. If you any problem related to your attendance, any problem related to this particular course, any problem, then you can just message in that WhatsApp group. So this is all for this particular class, and we will meet tomorrow at 11:50. Okay.